about something that your place of business needs to do on a monthly basis or more frequently depending on your environment.
Fire extinguishers are required by the National Fire Code of Canada. Consult your local authority for more info. The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA Standard 10, is a standard referenced by the National Fire Code for all things portable fire extinguisher related. NFPA 10 requires an inspection to be conducted by competent staff.
An inspection is a quick check that a fire extinguisher is in its designated place, that it has not been actuated or tampered with, and that there is no obvious physical damage or condition to prevent its operation.
The first 3 steps to a periodic monthly inspection are fairly simple. You are simply verifying the following. Step 1. Location in designated place. Step 2. Visibility of the extinguisher or means of indicating the extinguisher location. Step 3. Access to the extinguisher.
Check with your local authority, but again, some general rules of thumb for performing these checks are:
1. The extinguisher must be a minimum 4 inches off the floor and no higher than 5 feet. 2. Fire extinguishers shall be conspicuously located where they are readily accessible and immediately available in the event of fire. 3. Fire extinguishers shall be located along normal paths of travel, including exits from areas. The next portions get more physically involved with the extinguisher. Step 4. Verify that the pressure gauge reading or indicator is in the operable range or position. Essentially, what you're doing here is ensuring the needle on a stored pressure extinguisher is located in the green zone. If it is outside the green zone, the extinguisher may not function appropriately and is therefore unsafe to use. Step 5. Determine the fullness determined by weighing or hefting.
This step is one that's been greatly confused over the years. There's a lot of people that think that you need to take this extinguisher, flip it upside down to loosen up the dry chemical that's inside. Dry chemical is a very unique substance, so much that the product, when it's agitated, takes on the properties that of a fluid. Simply activating your extinguisher causes the dry chemical to turn to this fluidized type state and therefore expel much easier to fight the fire that is involved. However, if you let the product sit for about 30 seconds, it goes right back to the compact state. Therefore, going around flipping a fire extinguisher upside down, pounding on it with a rubber mallet, or really any action perceived as proactive to keep the dry chemical from compacting really does nothing but waste your energy. So simply lift your extinguisher. This is a 5-pound dry chemical fire extinguisher, meaning that there's about 5 pounds of dry chemical inside of it. The actual weight of the extinguisher itself is about 15 pounds. So really, we're just trying to determine if there actually is a difference. Finally, in this step, we're simply checking the general extinguisher condition for any unusual wear and tear.
Once you've completed these tasks, simply document the inspection. Different environments may dictate the appropriate documentation method. This may be written, a metal tag, or even electronically. Thank you for taking the time to watch this quick video, which we hope helps you in maintaining your safety equipment so that you are prepared for something we hope you never have to face. As always, reach out to Clean Services for fire extinguisher services and training, and for any other safety or emergency response needs.